5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton and Mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, "Ant, no more spooky riding on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 4 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The Kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, "Ant, stop the spooky ride on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 3 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy Witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. Her window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and Ghost then said, "No more magic on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 2 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights. Kitty called the bear, and bear then said, "Babe, stop the spooky ride tonight."
Riding on a bus.
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 One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch, and witch then said, "Great! Fix the bus? Fix it fast!"
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says, "Today, let's all ride in a happy way." Lee-ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.